What advice do you have for anyone who's facing what feels like an impossible goal?
There's no such thing in mission control. There is no impossible goal. Failure is not an option. And basically, by the time we got to the Apollo program, we had flown 15 missions in there, and we were very successful in the execution of those missions. The one thing that was key, every time we would come up on something that was new to us, we could always go back and identify that we had seen something like this before. We had had events like this we saw in previous missions. One of my controllers in 13 said we had a pretty big bang associated with it. That immediately, I remember that from the Apollo 9 mission, and basically that was that separation of the spacecraft between the two spacecraft. And it was really that was just an anomaly that was consistent with the mechanics of the separation system, and it wasn't anything to worry about. So the overall plan was always keep moving forward and basically use your team.